Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. This is day 4 of what I made for dinner. 2 days ago I made tandoori chicken using chicken thighs from Aldi. You get 7 portions. I had 7 portions in the packet and that cost £2.99. So I made tandoori chicken with 5 pieces and I roasted 2 pieces plain. Yesterday we had stuffed peppers using the leftover boiled rice, and I also made a rice pudding where I added sultanas and cinnamon. And today I've decided to just use all the leftovers up so that none of it goes in the bin, and it's a great way to save money. Plus I'm not putting the oven on, so I've not got any cooking to do, so I will save energy that way. And all I've done is blitz stuff, microwave stuff to heat it up. So what are we having today? So there was a baked potato left over. This is my son's dinner. So I microwaved the potato and then I added a tin of tuna and mayo, and I've just grated a bit of cheese on top and a blob of mayo. We had some cut price tomatoes, reduced price tomatoes. So there was 2 left, so we've got 1 each sliced up. And I've used the last of the salad, the sweet salad, leaf salad that I get from Aldi. It's 75p a bag. It's just lovely. It's got bits of red cabbage in and stuff like that. And again with a blob of mayo. And because he's got a little dinner, I give him extra rice pudding to have as his dessert. So nice, hearty and filling and no waste. So what am I having? Well, there was the stuffed pepper left over, a piece of tandoori over because we had 2 each 2 days ago, and a baked potato because I didn't have enough room to eat meat potato yesterday because there was loads there. So all I've done is microwave the potato, the tandoori and the stuffed pepper in the microwave, and I've just grated cheese over everything. And like on my son's dinner, I've used the last of our salad and a cut price tomato and put a blob of mayo on top. And I've also got a serving of rice pudding that I made using the leftover boiled rice. Yesterday I also used the boiled rice to stuff the peppers, so you can see yesterday's video. If you check it, it says day 3. Because today's day 4. So it's a bit of a medley, a bit of a concoction that I've got going for my dinner, with a stuffed pepper, tandoori chicken and a baked potato. And my son's just got a baked potato with a tin of tuna and some mayo and a bit of salad. I just think if it's there, why not use it up instead of it ending up in the bin and then ending up in landfill, because food in landfill is very toxic. It produces all kinds of yucky runoff and gases like methane, so it's best to use it all up. And I thought, well, we'll have a portion of rice pudding left because there was some left over, and I gave my son the lion's share because his dinner is smaller than mine. So let me know if you do weird concoctions for dinner as well, so it reduces your food waste and it's not getting thrown in the bin as well. I don't mind, I just think it's nice, and I've got a bit of salad and mayo to mop it all up, and a little bit of grated cheese too. So please like, share and subscribe. If you could be so kind, could you give us a thumbs up and a comment, as that helps the channel a lot. And I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.